Hi everyone, welcome to my CS50p final project. My name is Sol and I'm from Buenos Aires, Argentina. Have you ever noticed that tools are very expensive and that you almost never use them? Well, my brother-in-law came up with this idea of a shared toolkit community, so I'm trying to make his wish come true with this Python code. Here's how it works. First, it calls two functions, name and mail, to prompt every user to input their name and email address. These functions validate that name contains only alphabetic characters by calling its alpha on the input, and that the email is valid address by the means of a well-known regular expression. Then it can go two ways by calling the function usage. The first way, if the user wants to add a tool to their own toolkit to loan it, it would ask which tool and at what price per day would the user want to loan it. This information gets stored in a CSV file along with their name and email address. To achieve this, the program calls two additional functions, rent and price. If the user wants to search for a tool instead, it would ask which tool they need and search into the CSV file and return all proper matches with the prices. Then the user only has to decide who they want to loan from, and the program would return the contact information. In this case, the only function that's needed to be called is contact. All files input and output are managed by standard techniques and the CSV library. I profit from the Inquirer library to make the user choose from a list in several functions in order to simplify input validation. With PyTest, that raises was used to check if an error was raised, and with patch was used to mock random user input. All functions were tested with both valid or correct and invalid or incorrect input. Thank you for your attention. Hope you enjoyed this video.